Introducing the E.C.D Beach Runner, a newly imagined Defender 110 by E.C.D. Imagine the nostalgia of driving an iconic Defender from the beach house down the road to the beach, where you have everything you need from sunrise to sunset. Feel the thrill of the wind and the open road as you fold down the windscreen and the truck becomes a low-level flying machine. With the windscreen folded down, the spare tyre mounted on the hood, the exterior will be nothing short of iconic. This unit is powered by a GM LT1 450 horsepower engine and incorporates an 8-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle also features permanent four-wheel drive with high and low range, providing everything you need if you get stuck in the sand on the beach. Also, unlike many other open-top Defenders on the market today, the E.C.D Beach Runner features a fully functional safety devices roll cage, crash tested and perfect to keep you safe. Stepping into the vehicle, the vintage gauges, custom chrome switches, and the Momo Heritage wooden Grand Prix steering wheel stands out for the most discerning heritage car fan. The console is wrapped in a custom leather with wood veneer inserts and boasting 6 cup holders. The floor is painted in body colour and finished in a Raptor liner for easy cleaning after your day at the beach. Beyond styling, what makes the Beach Runner truly stand out are the accessories that turn this vehicle from a dream to drive to everything needed for a day at the beach. Surfers can load up the boards on top of the roll cage. The Yakima 2-in-1 accessory kit mounted on the hitch makes bringing everything you need for the day at the beach possible. Load up the beach bikes, coolers, grill, firewood, surfboards, and whatever else you might need, with so much carrying capacity available. For inflating tyres, boats, toys, etc., the Beach Runner is equipped with an external air compressor. Why let the fun stop when the sun goes down? The Beach Runner is equipped with an audio system that can undock, take it down on the beach, pull out the refreshments from the Yeti, and start up the grill. The Yakima accessory kit even includes surface area for prepping those delicious meals by the beach, so you don't even have to worry about bringing a separate table. Where else can you find an iconic classic build with all the comforts and modern amenities of today, other than E.C.D Automotive Design? From the minds that have brought so many one-of-a-kind vehicles, the new Beach Runner by E.C.D is born. The best bit, you haven't got to wait for these vehicles, we've just gone ahead and built them. Unlike all our other commissioned vehicles at E.C.D, these are built to spec by the E.C.D team and ready to go for your summer adventures. Reach out to us today to learn more.